Welcome back to the channel where it's not only good, it's good enough. We start with the cab and unbolting years of weight and wear. The connection loosened, every mount carefully removed, until slowly the cab lifts free. What was once a complete truck now begins to reveal its foundation. Next up, to the bed. Rusty bolts that haven't been moved in decades fight us every step of the way. Breaker bars, penetrating oil, and patience. One by one, the mounting bolts come loose. And just like that, the bed is off, exposing the full length of the chassis underneath. Man, look at that Hilux. Now we're really getting into it. With everything stripped away, the chassis stands alone. Every inch tells a story. It's years of work, dirt roads, weather, and wear. We're not stopping there. It's time to bring it back. Now time to pressure wash the chassis of an 86 Hilux. Looking better already. Now time to push it back into the garage so we can go ahead and start disassembling the brake lines, electric harnesses, and gas tank. Huge shout out to both of my paris right here for helping me out and getting this Hilux down to its chassis. Estambi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you all next time. And remember, not only is it good, it's good enough.